First go to Play Store. Search for NotiSave application. Install or open the app. Tap the button. Tap the button. Tap NotiSave button and allow. Press the back button and allow. Let's wait until the loading is complete. Tap the button. Scroll down and let's find the messenger. Tap the button. Press the back button. Tap Next. Tap Auto Start button and then OK. Tap Battery Saver. The NotiSave app needs no restriction. Press the back button. Now press the back button and you will see the NotiSave app is now active in Auto Start. Now press the back button and let's go to NotiSave app. Now press the three dot in the bottom right corner, and press the Edit group. Press Saved, and press the button for all apps. Now scroll down and find Messenger. Tap the button. Press the back button. Press Unread. It's the same method. Press the button for all apps. Scroll down, find Messenger and press the button. And then press back. If you want to add other application like WhatsApp, Scout, etc., you can add it here. Now press the check button. Now let's go to our Messenger and try to see if the NotiSave application will work. Let's try sending a message to our dummy account. What I will do is after I send a message, I unsend it and then we will see if I can still read the message I deleted. Now I will go to my second account and check the message. As you can see, we can't read the unsend message directly to Messenger. Now let's look at the NotiSave application to see if our unsend message is there. So now we have seen our unsend message here in our NotiSave application. Let's open the message. This is a notification for message. That's all. Thank you for watching.